Hey, listeners, are you ready to take control of your car buying experience and make smart financial decisions? Introducing the Ultimate Auto Finance Guide, your go to resource for navigating the complex world of auto finance. Whether you're a first time buyer or looking to refinance, this guide has all the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge you need to secure the best deal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to empower yourself and drive away with confidence. Head over to www.ultimateautofinanceguide.com now and grab your digital copy. Trust me, it's the smartest investment you'll make before buying your next car. Welcome back to Drive to Success Mastering Auto Finance, the podcast that helps you drive smarter decisions. I'm John Lewis, and I created this show because I believe every car buyer deserves clarity and not confusion when it comes to auto finance. Whether you're buying your first car, rebuilding your credit, or just tired of feeling unsure at the dealership, you're in the right place. Each episode, we break down the world of car loans, leasing, credit approvals, and more so you can move forward with confidence and success. No gimmicks, no jargon, just honest insights from inside the industry and the tools you need to take control of your journey from credit to keys. Every unsold car on a dealer's lot is more than just a missed sale. It's a ticking financial time bomb. In today's episode, we're pulling back the curtain on what really happens to brand new vehicles that just sit and don't sell. Whether you're shopping for a car or managing a franchise dealership, this insight can help save or make you thousands. Let's start with the foundation, how franchise dealerships actually finance their inventory. Most don't buy vehicles outright. Instead, they rely on what's called a floor plan, a line of credit extended by a lender or a captive finance company. This credit line lets them order vehicles from the OEM without paying up front. The dealership agrees to pay interest on each vehicle until it sells. Now here's where things get interesting and risky. Each new car or truck that sits on the lot racks up interest rate charges, and that's where the concept of aging inventory comes into play. And trust me, once the vehicle passes 60, 90, 120 days on the lot, things start to heat up financially. Let me walk you through a real-world example using a popular SUV with a $50,000 invoice. Days 1 to 60, this is the golden window. No interest has accrued yet, and the dealership has full pricing power. The profit potential is at its peak. Days 61 to 120, interest kicks in. Let's assume a 7% APR. That's about $3,500 annually or nearly $300 a month. By day 120, the dealer has paid over $1,000 in interest. Days 121 to 180, now you're in the danger zone. The SUV might need a price cut to remain competitive, trimming $1,500 or more in gross. Add the interest and the dealer could lose $2,000 or more on that vehicle. Beyond 180 days, game over. Many lenders require the dealer to either pay off the loan or return the vehicle. That car might be auctioned off at a loss or deeply discounted just to clear space. This isn't just theory, it's happening at dealerships every single day. So what can you do if you're a dealership sales or inventory manager? First, run an agent reports weekly. If more than 15% of your lot is over 90 days old, you're bleeding gross profit. Don't let those vehicles sit unnoticed. Next, create a Hot 30 board. Highlight your 30 oldest units and assign them to your most seasoned sales reps. Attach incentives and make it a priority. Next, partner with your lender. Ask about interest support, age unit bonuses, or OEM marketing assistance. Many programs go unused simply because no one asks. And finally, rotate age units. Move them to visible areas. Make them the hero of your weekend specials or banner ads. Shine a light on them. Don't let them gather dust. These strategies can protect your floor plan and boost end-of-month performance. Now, for the savvy car buyers listening, this is where you can win. When you go to a dealership, ask how long a car has been in stock. You may not get an exact answer, but even a ballpark can guide your negotiation. Shop near the end of the quarter. Managers often push to clear age units to meet bonus goals. That means bigger discounts for you. Target slower selling trims. An unpopular color or trim might save you thousands, especially if it's been sitting on the lot for over 120 days. Mention floor plan payoff deadlines. Say, I know this might be close to payoff. Are there incentives available? It shows you've done your homework and can shift the conversation in your favor. Inventory age isn't just a dealer's burden, it's a leverage point for smart buyers and a performance bellwether for dealership professionals. So whether you're signing a deal or selling one, use this insight to your advantage. Every day a car sits, it costs someone money. The question is, will it cost you or reward you? Thanks for tuning in to Drive to Success Mastering Auto Finance, where we help drive smarter decisions every step of the way. If you find today's episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their car buying journey. Until next time, keep driving towards success.
Rolling down the avenue to a jazzy beat, following that rhythm, life's a one-way street. Chasing dreams with passion, every mile's a goal. In the world of finance, stories to be told. Catching the horizon with a soulful groove. Navigating numbers, got nothing to lose. Every calculation, every deal we sway. In the realm of autos, we find our way. Drive to success, we're mastering the art. Through the lanes of finance, we set apart. Jazz and soul, where the numbers align. Make your journey smooth with wisdom divine. Hit the keys of knowledge, let the insight play. From leases to purchases, every savvy way. Revving up those engines, zeros turn to ones. In the studio of life like morning sun. Feel the soul, embrace the jazz. In the auto world, let's razzmatazz. Financial gears shifting smooth and slick. In the podcast lane, we find the tricks. Cruising through the jargon, ain't no mystery. Unlocking all the secrets in auto history. Low ones and rates, they glisten like the stars. Drive the distance, no matter how far.
Thanks for sticking around until the end. Before we go, if you're in the market for a new or used car or even thinking about it, you must check out Drive to Success, the ultimate auto finance guide. It's packed with strategies to help you navigate the tricky world of auto financing, avoid costly mistakes, and get the best deal possible. Head over to Amazon and grab your copy today. Just search for Drive to Success, the ultimate auto finance guide, or use the link in our show notes. Take control of your car buying experience and drive away with confidence.